how to fix Google Drive download failed on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Google Drive download failed on Android phone. First, open settings and then scroll down until you find here apps, and then click apps again, and now just type here drive and then click on it. Now click storage and then click clear cache, and first go to permissions and allow storage. Maybe you'll find it deny, and then make it allow, and then click for stop, and that's it. Go to data usage and allow mobile data. Maybe you'll find it disable it and enable it, and now just go back and try again, and I hope that can fix your problem. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.